Do you guys like eggplants? Then this recipe is for you. And how many of you don't like eggplants? Well, then this recipe is definitely for you. Eggplants are also known as aubergine, brinjal, Baingan, and by many other names. Today I have brought an absolutely unique way of consuming eggplants. Called as eggplant souffle, let's begin with the recipe. Hello everyone, welcome to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. I've taken an eggplant, so you need to take nice and big eggplant, wash it under running water and then with the help of a peeler, start peeling it off. You don't need to take out thick peels, so use your hands gently and peel off the eggplant. So see how nicely I have peeled my eggplant. So this is the way you need to do. Now take a knife and start cutting it into slices. So make a cut from the center. In fact, chop off the crown first. This way it would be easier to slice it off, like so. Now take out thick slices out of it. So let me show you. So this should be the thickness of the slices. It can be a bit more thicker but not thinner than this. So see, here are all the slices of the eggplant. And now take a pan or a tawa and grease it properly with some oil. Instead of oil, you can also use butter here. Then simply place all the slices directly on the pan or tawa, whatever you are using. Then brush all the slices with some oil and let them sear for a few minutes. After a few minutes, flip it over and do the same on the other side as well. That is, apply a little bit of oil on this side also. Then season them with some salt and pepper. Sear them for 2-3 minutes, and once they start getting these tiny brown spots, take them out on a plate and similarly sear rest of the slices as well. So guys, the reason why we are searing our eggplant slices is we have to make souffles out of them. And by searing the eggplant slices, what will happen is they'll become way more soft and tender. Hence, it will become easier to put them together in the form of souffle. So see, our eggplant slices are done. And now, in a bowl, take 3 teaspoons of chickpea flour or besan. Add salt as per your taste, followed by 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, red chili powder as per your taste, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala, and a teaspoon of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. So guys, you can take the spices of your own choice to add in the batter here. Now add water in batches and make a thick batter or paste out of it. Once the batter is made, add around half teaspoon fruit salt. I'm adding Eno fruit salt from an Indian store. Add few drops of water to activate it. Fruit salt will help the air to incorporate into the batter, making it lighter and fluffier. You can also take combination of baking soda and baking powder instead of fruit salt. Alright, now take a slice and apply generous amount of chickpea batter on it. Spread it evenly on it and then fold it the way I am doing. It will look something like this. If the batter leaks from the sides, wipe it off gently without putting much pressure. Similarly, prepare all the other eggplant slices and then steam it for 10 minutes. I'm using my idli steamer as it has good separate compartments. So here come our yummy steamed souffles. Now you can enjoy them as it is with some dip or chutney by the side. But I'm gonna lightly temper them or give them a tarka in little bit of oil. So add some mustard seeds and curry leaves in a teaspoon of oil and saute all the souffles for few minutes. Once they become crispy from both the sides, they are done. Okay guys, so our delicious eggplant souffle is all ready to be served. I'll give you a tip here. Remember, do not steam these eggplant souffles for long as the eggplant is extremely delicate vegetable and tends to become soft and mushy very quickly. So just steam until the batter is properly cooked and that's it. See you guys next time, but don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight. Ta-da!